knows what you think about me, and I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy, and I can't stop time for you.
The only place I did the girls' hair last night, so they're all detangled. I just have to do Janelle's hair. I just have to do Janelle's hair. Today's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all the folks who celebrate Valentine's Day. My face is a hot mess because I haven't been moisturizing, and you can tell I look dried up. We're going to the gym right now. Rob prepped my pre-workout. I think that's his. I think I'm gonna have coffee. Yeah, I think. But I'm gonna go to the gym and do some cardio and say hello to my little friends. I put on my wig the other day, and I think the synthetic hair is breaking me out because 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 went down, and then there were 3 over here. They're kind of like they're laying now. But yeah, I won't be putting that back on my face no time soon because I don't like this. So, like I was saying, we're going to go to the gym, come back, wash Janelle's hair. After I wash Janelle's hair, we're going to go to his mom for lunch. Then we're going to come back. I'm going to clean up the house and get ready for the week. There's no school tomorrow. Kids go back to school on Tuesday, so I get a little bit of break. I might go grocery shopping tomorrow. I have 2 grocery shopping coming you guys' way. I have a fill-in and I have a regular 1 week. I think it was 1 week. I have a 1 week grocery haul coming you guys, I think today, Sunday, and one Monday. And then this vlog will be middle of the week, I think Thursday-ish. So you guys won't see this vlog until Thursday. The schedule set up. I'm sorry. Oh, I have a cleaning video that's coming. A get it all done video that's coming. Mia, oh my gosh, girl, I love your get it all done. Like, I love these videos and I love yours. So if you guys are not following Mia, her YouTube name is Mia Joy here. And I've been following her for, oh my gosh, we've been friends for about, I want to say 6 years. How old is her son? I think he just turned 6, and I started following her when her son was 9 months old, or a little less than that. So about 5-ish years. But she's a sweetheart. Love her. And then, what was I saying? Ooh, I redecorated the kitchen, and so far I'm loving the little touches. I have to get a round mat right here for this demijohn glass to sit on, just to break up the texture on the table, between the glass and the table. I hope that makes sense. I got this brand new guy. Love him. I added pops of yellow because I was gonna do spring, but then I was like, once I do spring, I gotta do summer, and I'm like, I don't want to really decorate again until fall. I'm lazy, I'm sorry. So I got this guy, he's brand new. And then I switched out, let me turn the camera on. You guys want me to turn? No. I switched out this guy and put this little cake stand. Switched this guy from here to here, and that guy from there to there. New thing, this spins, but there's no reason for me to spin it. Got a little plant right here. I put this here because I wanted to bring the rusty color from over here and tie in with that. So that's why that is there. And then I got my little olive oil and vinegar set from Heart and Hand. This is from Ross, my little spoon from thing. I took this down from the top of the cabinet and I just put it there. I need to hang it, but I need to find something that's gonna hang on, that's going to stick on subway tile. If you know anything that sticks on subway tile to hang decorations off of, please let me know. Anyways, how you guys doing? I just started at you guys, but good morning. How are you guys doing? Nothing has changed over here. And then on top of the refrigerator, I added that plant in a basket to keep all the nail clippers, because that's where Rob keeps all his nail clippers, is over there. And then I added my little tulips over here. And then my tier tray, I decorated it. It's just been just bare since Christmas, just naked. You hear me? Naked. And I love the kitchen now. It feels like me, like I can come in here and function. And then let me turn you guys around. Okay, so up top, I didn't change anything. I just added the lemons up there. Up here, I took the sign down and added some greenery up top. And on this side, I'll show you guys. And then on this side, I just have a sign that says, in the kitchen, we lick the spoon, and then 2 greenery. Over here, I put my kitchen hours in that. So, yeah. Huh? You found the what? Okay, I don't know what. Anyways, watch is fully charged. Love that. AirPods are fully charged. Phone's fully charged. Let's go to the gym. So I'm gonna mix together this vanilla, MCT oil, keto coffee, and 0 sugar in here with my milk frother. So let's do that.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Perfect. You ready, honey? You ready?
Are you?
Yes.
What do you think? It's got no juice?
Is it? I gave him my old Fitbit watch. Yeah. Oh, so good. I love that watch on you.
Thank you, Miss.
Kind of make you look a little sexy.
You smell like sexy.
Very sexy.
Why is it taking so long?
That's the question I'm asking you, because I'm sitting here waiting for you. And you're over here messing with this watch.
It's taking forever.
This year is a big milestone for us. will be 15 years since we've been married. That's half of 10. We just did 10 the other day. Right, honey?
Yeah.
What would you say the key to a successful marriage is?
Shut your mouth.
Mm-hmm. And what else?
Shut your mouth and listen.
And what else?
That's it. You're always right.
Who's always right? Me?
Mm-hmm.
What else?
That's it. Leave me alone.
So who should shut their mouth? Me or you?
You.
Oh, me?
You shut your mouth.
Why should I shut my mouth? If I'm always right, why do I have to shut my mouth? I think the key to a successful marriage, I don't know. Don't ask me. I mean, not all marriages are perfect. By golly, we don't have a perfect marriage. Some days I wake up and I want to strangle him. But I refrain myself from doing such, crazy act. But that's rough. That's rough out in these marriage streets. And then the other day I found out that when we go to heaven, there's no need to have a marriage. There won't be any marriage in heaven. So I'm just like, then what's the point of all of this? If when I go to heaven, this man is not going to be by my side, what's the point of it now? Like, why don't I just walk away now?
Stressing me out now.
I know, it's just stressing me out. But the point of marriage is to get you to the kingdom, and get you prepared to go to heaven. Right? Or is it for procreation? For multiplying the earth? I don't know what I'm talking about. Please don't take anything from this video as any beneficial information. Nothing that we say here is worth 2 pennies, okay?
It's not working. Let's go. Just do it in the car for now.
You ready?
Yeah.
Mr. Rob is ready. I gotta go. See y'all later. This is ice. That's ice. It goes. Oops. That's ice. Wow. Rob just walked on the ice. Look at him. Look at him. Ooh. Why'd you walk on the ice? What if you slip and fall?
Get my mask?
You're too old for this. Can we drive on it?
The hell you asking a dumb question for?
It's not dumb. It's a valid question.
How else we gonna get out of here?
See, this is why I say most days I want to strangle him, because he just called me dumb. Apologize, babe. That was not very nice.
Not nice.
Why did you do that?
Not nice at all.
He doesn't believe in Valentine's Day, guys. He didn't get me anything for Valentine's Day. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I wish I would have found. I wish I had found a man that actually, celebrated Valentine's Day. He thinks it's just another holiday to get money out of his pocket. I was like, every day is Valentine's Day. He said the same thing about Mother's Day. Every day is Mother's Day. Every day is this, every day is that. But he don't treat it like every day is Valentine's. They don't buy me flowers and stuff like that every day. He don't. He just gives me the money to go do it myself. Which is nice. And, sometimes I do enjoy buying my own self. Buying my own stuff. Because I actually get what I want. Some people might find that as a deal breaker. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care about any of this stuff. I don't know why I'm talking about it. Maybe because it bothers me. Does it bother me? Would it bother you? I don't know. Let's have a dialogue. in the comment section. Comment down below if your man or husband or spouse, significant other, whoever, does not celebrate Valentine's Day or any kind of special occasion. Would it bother you? Comment down below and let me know, okay? I want to have a really, really serious discussion with you guys about that. Meanwhile, he's over here setting up stuff. I've been ready for about an hour, going on 2 hours now. You woke me up at 6 o'clock. It's 7:32. Can we please go? Are we sliding? Are we gonna slide? No, we didn't slide. So we're back from the gym, and now I'm gonna have my green tea. I was gonna do my smooth move, but who's that? So yeah, so usually when I get back from the gym, I usually have my green tea or my smooth move, depending on where I'm going, but I have to go out today, so I'm just going to do my green tea now. I usually do it in the evening instead, and then my smooth move in the morning, so that, you know, it can get working, but I'm going to do green tea now and then smooth move later, because, you know, I don't know, I just want to do it this way. I thought about it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it this way. So I'm gonna show you guys what I put in my green tea and what it's been helping me with. You playing Elwa doll? Water, Matt? Really? Water? In the middle of my Destiny gave it to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's hot.
Okay. My niece. So this is my green tea thing, and then I'm gonna mix this one, my MCT oil, 0 sugar, and a little bit of almond creamer. I put creamer in my tea. Am I the only weirdo that does that? I think so. So, my mug of choice right now is Mom! Put that out the way. And this one, I don't measure. I just kind of like eyeball it. Like that. I'm running low. My MCT oil. I don't measure that either. I just kind of eyeball it.
Eggs in the air fryer.
Eggs in the air fryer.
What's now?
In the air fryer.
And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this word. This is the granular to it, because I feel like I need a little bit of sweet. I got a little sweet tooth right now. You need the can opener?
That's the snap. No, mine.
You sure drink a lot of shit. Why the hell is there so many cups? Oh my goodness.
And there you go. That's how I make my my green tea. Oh, it's so good. Oh.
Shut up.
You shut up. Ooh. Oh, so good.
So good.
Babe, did you make me a boiled egg? Did you make me some too? Did you? Oh, you did? Oh my gosh, you're amazing.
Amazing.
I love you.
Did you make me some tea?
We can share.
I don't want to share.
Why?
You want to share my egg?
Yeah, I'll share your egg.
No.
We share an egg. We share the children. That's sharing the egg. We share eggs all the time. I love him. I love you.
Let's go.
Janai, ready to wash your hair?
Yeah.
They caught it in the sink already.
Wash your... Huh?
The sink already messed up. I just cleaned it.
Oh, I might have to wash the dishes now.
Look at it.
Hi, Destiny. Alright, braid your hair. Hi, Jenna.
Hi, Jana.
Hey, baby.
Camera's off.
I have to braid her hair. What time we leaving for your mom? It's 9:32.
11:30.
11:30? Alright. Let me hurry up and get these kids together.
Till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know.
No beans. So this is my breakfast. It's 3 eggs, cauliflower rice with a little bit of tomato and habanero ranch on the top. And that's my breakfast.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over.
All the girls are done. I didn't brush Destiny hair.
She makes faces at me.
I forgot. But I'm done. We're on our way to grandparents' house. Forgot my matcha. My green tea. I forgot my green tea. So, hopefully I have enough energy. I gotta go because I'm shaking. I'm all late. Everybody ate their lunch. And I'm like late. Rob's almost fought me for this
No, sir.
piece of chicken right here. Guys, we're leaving grandparents' house. And I got flowers. Even if I didn't get flowers from my husband, I got flowers from my father-in-law and my mother-in-law. So I am loved.
The belt.
I'm gonna put it on, Rob.
That's how much I love you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Making sure you put your belt on.
He's so sweet, guys. But I'm gonna go home now. It's 4:40. We've been here since 12 o'clock, so we spent 5 hours with them. Not bad. Yes, honey. Want to see the flowers? Okay, I'll show them to you in a second. These folks are always out here playing. I love it. Love it. Yeah, they're always playing out. I love it. But we're gonna go home and I'm gonna go finish editing. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Bye.